Finally, my beloved daughter Alexandra is to collect her inheritance at a later date.
At a later date, not now. She has to wait. How fun, not. Hi everyone, I'm glad you're here. Today we're watching a scene from the Life List. It's about a young woman named Alexandra whose mother has passed away, and she's about to find out what she's inherited. Things get emotional, awkward, and even a little funny. Let's watch and learn.
Finally, my beloved daughter Alexandra.
Beloved, this just means loved very much. Her mom loved her dearly.
Finally, my beloved daughter Alexandra is to collect her inheritance at a later date.
Inheritance. That's what someone leaves you after they die. Money, a house, maybe even a cat. In Alexandra's case, it sounds mysterious.
Is to collect her inheritance at a later date. And there is an asterisk here which I meant to explain to you privately.
Asterisk. That little star symbol you see in writing. It usually means look at the footnote or there's more to this. Like a secret PS. Privately, not in front of everyone, just for Alexandra. Oh, secrets.
And there is an asterisk here which I meant to explain to you privately.
This is insane. I mean, how long have you actually been doing wills and dying?
Doing wills and dying. She's being sarcastic. She doesn't mean he's been dying. That would be weird. She means he's working with wills and people who are dying. Wills, a legal paper that says who gets your stuff after you die.
I mean, how long have you actually been doing wills and dying and whatever?
I have been doing estate planning at the firm for 3 years now.
3 years, wow. So you're basically a regular Thurgood Marshall.
Thurgood Marshall, a famous, very serious U.S. Supreme Court judge. Alexandra is totally joking here. She's being dramatic. This young lawyer is clearly not Thurgood Marshall.
So you're basically a regular Thurgood Marshall.
That's nice, thank you. I appreciate that. You know what, please don't talk to me like that.
Oh, or what? You'll take away my inheritance?
Take away means remove, or take something that belongs to me. This is getting spicy. Alexandra's mad and kind of making jokes. A bit of sarcasm again.
You know what, please don't talk to me like that.
Oh, or what? You'll take away my inheritance?
I'd like you to consider that your mother was a very intelligent woman whose main concern is what is best for...
Concern. A worried or nervous feeling about something, or something that makes you feel worried.
Whose main concern is what is best for
as in
you.
firing me.
That you should trust her.
And disinheriting
She
me.
did not disinherit.
Disinherit. That means to take someone out of your will. You leave them nothing. Cold, right? But the lawyer says Alexandra's mom didn't do that. So, what's going on?
Trust her.
And disinheriting
She
me.
did not disinherit
I mean, her only
you.
daughter, and I get nothing, not even a piece of furniture. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that this is about money and jewelry and whatever, but the thing is...
The thing is, we say this when we're about to explain something important or give a reason. Like saying, here's the truth, or this is the real reason.
But the thing is, yesterday, the only thing that I wanted was her bed. That's it. I just wanted her old, rickety iron bed so I could just lay in it and curl up.
Oh, wow. This part's really emotional. Curl up, to lie down in a cozy little ball like a cat. She just wanted to feel close to her mom again, and all she wanted was her mom's bed. Not the money, not the jewelry. Just something to feel her again. That's touching.
I could just lay in it and curl up and just pretend that she was still with me.
Pretend means to behave as if something is true when you know that it is not.
And just pretend that she was still with me.
I know how close you and your mother were. She told me many times. She just had something else in mind for you.
Something else in mind. She had a different plan. Maybe a surprise, a mission, an adventure. Let's see.
She just had something else in mind for you.
What is this?
She wanted you to open it when you were alone. Do you have a DVD player?
Wait, a DVD? We're back in the early 2000s, people. But yes, her mom left her a message on a DVD. Very retro.
Do you have a DVD player?
Yeah. It's in the closet next to the VCR and the butter churn.
Butter churn. That's a funny, old-fashioned joke. It's a wooden thing people used to make butter 100 years ago. Basically, she's saying, I don't have old stuff like that. She's being sarcastic. Again.
Yeah. It's in the closet next to the VCR and the butter churn. My boyfriend has an Xbox.
Yeah, that'll work. Go home, see what's in the envelope. Hopefully, some of this will start to make some sense.
Start to make sense. It's a mystery. There's something in the envelope. Something personal from her mom.
Hopefully, some of this will start to make some sense.
My lawyer will be in touch.
I am your lawyer.
So, what do you think Alexandra's mom left her on that DVD? Maybe it's something more meaningful than money. Don't forget to practice some of the phrases we learned. See you next lesson.